All right, so this door will open from outside and also will open from the inside. Check this out too. I can pull this up easily, right? Let's check that out. Okay, so will open, will not open, and this thing will not pull up. Ah, you just don't want to come out easily. There we go. All right, so we gotta turn the ignition on so we can roll the window up and down. Where is it? It's right here. Where is it? I think that's it. There we go. I think that's it, guys. All right, then there's a 10mm here. There we go. Pull this up. Remove this, maybe. There we go. Then put this in. Then roll it down gently. Oops, the window will stay up. And we'll see here. Dang it, Matt, it's not lined up.
What's not?
When I'm done, so I'm just gonna put this down and then it goes line up to the hole, and then I'm just gonna put my bolt in there so I don't have to go fucking back and forth. All right, I think we're all lined up. Yeah, so we're good. So we can disconnect this one now. All right. Just gonna put this one here so it will not get scratched. I have not removed one of this, so let's go ahead and study the new one. Here is the part number, by the way. Okay, here it is. It's gonna go that way, and it got hooked up right here and here, so I still have to do this one here. Okay, let's go remove this gently. There we go.
We have our great
Okay, you gotta remove this. Maybe not. Alright, we're gonna undo this. So we're gonna get more slack. I think I'll do it. Yeah. There you go. Man, you are a tough one. So unplug this. Plug this too. And this one. Hey, it is out. Then we can just put this one here without scratching and damaging it. All right. Now let's transfer this. Okay. Here is the new one. And it does look like a wrong one. Nope, just kidding. This is the right one. Yep. There we go. There we go. I think that's it, guys. Yep. Pretty simple. Now we're gonna pick this up. Then you're gonna line this up in the bottom. Then, whoops, it's kind of hard. There we go. Now we can see a lot better here. Now you're gonna line this up. There you go. Oops, nope, nope, there we go. Plug it in. Okay. Oh, and I didn't hear click. There we go. The click is important. Okay. Now we are ready to go back. Same thing. It's gonna be a little fight, but it's doable. There we go. Don't forget to plug this back. Okay. All right. How are we doing here? line this up. Oops. Am I lined up? Yep, there we go. There we go. Oh, forgot about that. Please don't forget this. Oops, there we are. There we go. Now, lined up perfectly. Gotta be careful here because sometimes tools will jump and scratch the paint. You don't want that. Okay. Now we are ready for the window. We're gonna drop it down gently until it lines up. There we go. Yep, it's all lined up. Well, I think we are ready for this, but before that, you're gonna make sure you're not missing any clip. Well, I think we're all good. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Little guy, where are you? Oops. There we go. Did I plug that connector in? I don't remember, but I think so. Well, we're just about to find out. Okay, let's close it. Oh yeah, it works. Close it. Oh yeah. Cool. So I'm gonna close it. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, the child safety switch. And this one's not supposed to be opening. Oh yeah. Let's try that one. Oh yeah. Okay. Turn it off. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Nope, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Don't forget this. Yep. Supposed to hook up down there. There we go. Then line it up. That's much easier. Then clean it. Oh boy, I'm out. There's always a solution. Yeah, this is just a glass cleaner, guys. Alright, now we are officially done. Thank you guys for watching.